What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and this is everything you need to know for the upcoming Air Jordan 1 High Brotherhood. And
you can't play a player, baby. That's just how the game goes. All I'm focused on is winning, real love and pain.
Alright, so first, thank you guys for stopping by to check us out. If this is your first time here, feel free to drop a follow or subscribe wherever you're watching and give this video a like. We would greatly appreciate that. And then, of course, a quick thanks to Cop Sneaker Group for sponsoring this episode, and we'll give a little more info about them later on in this video. But starting off with the basic info, these Jordan 1s are set to release on Thursday, February 24th, pending any delay. For pricing, I'm only seeing 2 sizes expected to release, with the men's retailing for $170 as always, and then grade school at $130. And this release is set for 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern time on the Sneakers app, and some other sites that we'll get to in a second. Alright, so these are just straight up clean. Like, I love the color combo for this Jordan 1 design, and the colorway comes with a cool background story too. So the University Gold, kind of paired with that light Bordeaux, is actually meant to represent the fraternity that Michael Jordan was in while he attended the University of North Carolina, which also happens to be the best university in the country. Not even trying to hide my bias there, but I mean, no, this is a really sweet concept, and I'm just an overall fan of how these colors look together. This will be another one of those shoes that's, you know, kind of hit or miss. These could kind of play out like the Jordan 1 Highlight Fusion Red that tanked for some reason, even though the quality was there. But, you know, this is more of a significant color scheme. There's more of a story behind these, so I mean, I think these are going to do all right. So for raffles and reservations, there is no shortage of options for this release. There are some good online raffles, as always. A few in-app options, so just make sure you enter those to increase your chances of getting a pair for these Jordan 1s.
Before getting into where these Jordan 1s are dropping, we do have a quick message from our sponsor, Cop. Cop is a world-class sneaker group built by sneakerheads for sneakerheads. Their sole purpose is focusing on community over profit. Cop has tons of available features. Their free tier offers a weekly release calendar and drop reminders. Their standard membership for only $1 a month includes everything in the free tier, raffle notifications, and an in-depth site list for each release. And lastly, for $5 a month, their platinum membership offers everything in the standard tier, and you get access to those blazing fast sneaker monitors. If you are interested in joining for free, visit copsneakergroup.com. Now let's see where these Jordan 1s could be potentially dropping and at what time. So at the time of this recording, starting off at 10 a.m. Eastern time, we have Champ Sports, DTLR, Foot Locker, Finish Line, Hibbett Sports, JD Sports, and Nike Sneakers. Now there could be some other boutique websites like Kith, Undefeated, and Shop Nice Kicks, but as of now, they are not showing up with anything. But moving on, let's look at what the resale is currently at on the most popular marketplaces. So at the time of this recording, StockX has an average selling price of $245, GOAT's in at $250, and eBay is at $250 as well. As for my release analysis, starting off with the stock numbers, I am kind of a little bit worried that Nike and Jordan are still having some of these late shipments, because this shoe is coming out in just a few days, and some of the larger retailers out there are still not getting their pairs in. So I am predicting stock to be quite limited for these Jordan 1s, but as for demand, these definitely have some demand because of just how unique this colorway is. So this purple and gold colorway though can really favor some of these sports fans out there. We got the Los Angeles Laker fans, the LSU fans, and from what Landon said, also some UNC fans. So here's a graph from the Google Trends showing that most of the search results are coming from Louisiana, California, and North Carolina. But as for my resale prediction for these Jordan 1s, I do predict resale value online should be around the $230 to $250 range, netting you a profit of $60 to $80 per pair before any taxes and fees. So to wrap things up, this is going to be a nice shoe to go for if you are just trying to either resell, collect them, or just as a personal, but just be ready for them to sell out quick due to late shipments.
That is going to wrap it up for this episode. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
But until next time,
peace.
This is how the game goes. All I'm focused on is winning.